Hi, what is the last thing that you searched on Google? Please don't tell me it's the location to this place. Anything before that?
I think I don't remember. We have to check.
Go ahead.
Okay, we searched for the Karachi bakery nearby. We wanted a Karachi bakery.
We want to get Karachi biscuits, so we were searching for the spots to get biscuits. It would be very helpful if you could tell us any.
I think are you searching for in this building? I don't think so. It's there in this building, but I can find out. Don't worry. We'll do it after the video. So, what is the most expensive thing that you own?
Most expensive thing.
Can I say me?
I have one Adidas shoe. It cost around 7K. That's it. Probably my gold earrings. That
How much would it be?
40, 50.
My scooty probably. I just bought it, so probably that.
1 lakh.
Yeah.
Okay. So, what do you believe in? Arranged marriage or love marriage, and why?
I believe in love marriage because it's not possible to marry a person, you just met. You have to get to know them before you marry. So, yeah.
I agree.
Love marriage. Arrange come love? I can say both. I believe in marriages.
So, you want to satisfy your parents, and your spouse?
I don't believe in marriage as of now. When the time flies, maybe I will. Yeah.
Tomorrow, your spouse is wrongly convicted and is put in jail. Okay? How long will you wait for him?
I'll wait for him forever, obviously, if I love him. I'll wait for him, but why is he put in jail?
He's wrongfully convicted for no reason.
Okay, wrongfully convicted. Okay, I'll wait for him. That doesn't matter. The time period doesn't matter.
Yeah, same. It doesn't matter. If he's the right person, you're supposed to wait.
So I'm guessing you guys are not from Hyderabad, right?
Yeah.
So what do you like and hate about Hyderabad? What is the one thing that you like and also, hate about Hyderabad?
I love the biryani and I hate the traffic. We tried the worst biryani, so I didn't like the biryani here, but I like the city overall. But we are too quick to judge. We just had 2 days, so we can't really say an answer to this.
Yeah, same as she said. It's too quick to judge, but we were here for something related to office and we met some Telugu people. They were so kind. So yeah, I love the people here. It's good.
One last question.
Yeah.
What do you find attractive in a guy?
His height, smile.
Height.
And what would be the red flags?
Ooh. Red flags. When he asks to do something, when he points out that you have to do so and so thing. So that's obviously a red flag. Being demanding, it should be out of my heart. He shouldn't demand stuff.
Bossing around, you're not supposed to do this, you're not supposed to do that. Forcing his opinion on others.
Thank you so much, guys. That was fun.
Thank you.
This is the channel